Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Solitaire Smash. So let's get started and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all you have to tap onto Let's Play and install your Solitaire Smash app. So after installing it, and I'm guessing that you already have installed it, so let's watch it. So first of all, this is the interface of your Solitaire Smash. Okay, now you have to go to this side, and at the top right corner you can see this three dot icon right here. Here you can see this, tap onto it, and after clicking onto it you have to tap onto withdrawal, this option. So after clicking on withdrawal, here you can see your balance information and withdrawal information. You just have to enter your deposit amount right here from here, and you can choose HotPay, Visa, PayPal or Venmo, any single one you wish to continue with, and then you can continue. So for example, here you can see I have a deposit amount of $10 previously, so this is how you can do it. Just go to that three dot option and then tap onto withdrawal if you want to withdraw money, and if you want to deposit money you just simply tap onto deposit option. That's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.